Welcome back to Factful Finance, where we uncover real financial strategies for your success. Today, we're diving into something that's completely reshaping the way we think about online selling: artificial intelligence. But here's the twist: AI isn't just the future, it's the present. So, what's next? How can you harness the power of AI to make money in ways most people haven't even imagined yet? Stick with me as we break it all down. Did you know that AI is already responsible for driving billions in online sales every year? But we're only scratching the surface of what's possible. In this video, we'll explore how AI is revolutionizing online retail, how you can tap into its full potential, and the exact steps you need to take to profit from it. No fluff, just actionable insights. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. AI is transforming how we buy and sell online, and not just in a simple recommendation engine way. We're talking about AI-powered pricing, inventory management, customer service, and even creating personalized shopping experiences. Imagine if you could predict the next trend in real time, set your prices based on demand, or even automate your customer interactions 24/7 without lifting a finger. All of that is now possible, and if you're not leveraging it, you might already be falling behind. To get ahead, let's look at some of the specific ways AI is revolutionizing online selling. First, there's AI-driven market analysis. Traditionally, identifying trends involved sifting through endless data, if you had the time and tools to do so. Now, AI can track consumer behavior in real time, making predictions about product demand, pricing fluctuations, and market shifts before they even happen. By using AI to analyze your competitors and market trends, you can position your products for maximum profit. It's like having a crystal ball, but way more accurate. Let's take Olivia, a small business owner selling eco-friendly skincare products. Last year, she started using AI to analyze customer purchasing behavior on her website. Within a month, she identified a growing trend for vegan sunscreen. By adapting her inventory and marketing strategies accordingly, she saw a 30% increase in sales within just 3 months. This is the power of AI-driven insights. Now let's talk about AI-powered customer service. Forget hiring a team of customer support reps. With AI chatbots and virtual assistants, you can automate customer interactions, answer questions instantly, and even offer personalized recommendations, all while cutting costs. For instance, a chatbot can handle routine inquiries 24/7, leaving your team to focus on more complex issues. But here's the kicker: these bots are getting smarter every day. The more they interact, the better they get at predicting and solving customer problems. Take Henry, for example, who runs an online store selling tech gadgets. By implementing a sophisticated AI chatbot, he managed to reduce his customer service costs by 40%. And not just that, customer satisfaction skyrocketed because his bot could answer questions in seconds, helping his customers make quicker decisions. And then there's dynamic pricing. If you've ever wondered how Amazon adjusts its prices in real time, now you know. AI. Using algorithms that analyze everything from competitor pricing to seasonal demand, AI adjusts your product prices automatically to stay competitive while maximizing profit. Imagine being able to tweak your prices on the fly to match demand without even lifting a finger. This is a game changer in e-commerce. Let's consider Amelia, who sells home appliances online. With AI, she started implementing dynamic pricing based on factors like time of day, seasonality, and competitor pricing. By optimizing prices in real time, she saw a 15% increase in her margins while also gaining more market share. So you're probably wondering, how can you get started with all this? The first step is finding the right AI tools. There are platforms designed specifically for e-commerce that integrate AI seamlessly into your operations, from product recommendations to price optimization. You don't need to be a tech expert to use them. Most are designed to be user-friendly and affordable for small businesses. Popular tools include Shopify's AI-powered features, Google's AI solutions for marketing, and tools like ChatGPT for automating customer service. Next, data is key. AI thrives on data, so the more customer data you can gather, the better. But remember, privacy matters. Make sure you're compliant with laws like GDPR and CCPA to ensure your customers' information is secure. Finally, investing in the right talent is crucial. AI is powerful, but it still needs human oversight. As AI continues to evolve, there will be a growing demand for professionals who can guide its integration and ensure it's being used ethically and effectively. Whether you're hiring a data scientist or working with a consultant, bringing in the right expertise will pay off in the long run. AI is the future, and the future is already here. Whether you're just starting out or you've been selling online for years, embracing AI is no longer optional. It's essential for staying competitive and scaling your business. If you don't take action now, you risk being left behind as others embrace the efficiency, cost-saving, and revenue-boosting potential that AI offers. Let's wrap up with a thought-provoking question. What's the next big thing in AI for online selling? The truth is, it's already happening. From AI-powered logistics to virtual shopping assistants, the possibilities are endless. But the businesses that will thrive are the ones that embrace these technologies early and effectively. So what's your move? Are you ready to leverage AI and transform your business? Drop a comment below. I want to hear how you plan to use AI to boost your online sales. If you're still figuring it out, don't worry. I've got more deep dives and strategies coming your way. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And if you found this video helpful, you're going to love what's next. Click the video on screen to keep your financial knowledge growing. Remember, AI is no longer just for tech giants. It's for you, the entrepreneur, the seller, the innovator. Get ahead of the curve and start making AI your ally today.